What's up, everybody? In this training, I want to share with you a, a tool that's really, really powerful. And it's completely free. And I really believe it's been really underutilized. This is a tool that you're going to be able to use to find cash buyers and also motivated sellers. In this training, I'm going to more dive in on the sell side of it, or not, sorry, the motivated seller side of it, and as a way to find tired landlords. And I'm going to walk you through step by step exactly how to do that using the Hamilton County MLS, or I'm sorry, the Hamilton County Auditor. You guys are going to have a similar version of this, whether it's, honestly, wherever you live, you just want to Google your county auditor, and you're going to want to look for a real estate search. So ours right here says is property search, real estate search, and it's going to give us some criteria. And everyone that I've ever dealt with is set up very similar to this. So the tabs and the buttons might be in different spots. So we're going to have a few ways to search. Search by owner, street address, parcel ID, sales, and advanced. So I want you, in this practice, I want you to click advanced. Go find the advanced version of yours. Now, the beautiful thing about the auditor site everywhere is it lists things out very specifically. School districts, area for appraisals, land use criteria, obviously house numbers, names, everything. Well, one area that I want you to spend some time at is down here. And look for the area that has properties between apartments between 4 and 19 units, 2 and 39, over 40. Now, this is an incredible tool. Now, whether or not you want to, wholesale these, keep them, whatever your strategy is, this goes the same for commercial land, everything. But I want to show you right here the 4 to 19. The 4 to 19, cool, great apartments, great, manageable, easy to digest, kind of nice next step after you've picked up 20, 30 units or whatever, and you're ready to kind of scale up. But you also want to buy something off the market and try to get a steal of a deal, right? So 4 to 19 units, and then we're going to search this criteria. And again, you can do this any other way you want to. And what I always do is I always search by the oldest transfer. So invalid date. So these are going to be old, right? So let's go to the second page, third page. All right. Wow. 1900. 1967. So these are units that haven't transferred in a very long time. 50 years these haven't transferred. Now, I would spend more time, and I advise you too, to really go through your areas, right? Because the fundamentals of all this, the basics are, we're mastering zip codes, right? We're mastering the zip codes we want to be in. So go through here and just say that, Morris Investments in my zip code. Right here, address, Lorraine Avenue. Click in here. This is interesting, right? Now, this address is Lorraine. Well, I can tell you right now, Lorraine, we'll do a quick little search, is in Clifton, 45220. Great spot right here. What's cool is now I have here this address. This address looks to be a home address. So let's, and again, we go into detail in the reverse prospecting part with using deal machine and skip tracing and stuff. But I'm going to show you right now how I would look this up. So I'm going to look up who owns this house on Shawnee. So I'm going to do it the same way we were just at. Hamilton County Auditor, property search. Now I'm going to look it up by street address, Shawnee, and it was 7710. Search Shawnee Run. Let's see here, hold on. So that didn't come back with something for some reason. All right, let's see what's going on here. Because that should come up with something. So for some reason, that's not working. So let's search by owner, Morris Investments. So we just gotta, guys, this is what happens sometimes. I'm not gonna edit this out. Like, you're gonna see when things happen, what we do next, right? Morris Investments. So I'm gonna search by that. I'm gonna go in here, find more, see if they own more, because they might. They do. And these are all really good spots here. So I mean, these are Oakley. These are pretty recent too. So this shows me they might still be actively buying, but and it's worth a shot to try to get out in front of them. So Morse Investments. I'm going to click into there. It's again Shawnee Run. It seems like it's a residence. So let's search the Google for it. St. Gertrude. Oh wow, okay. So it's tied to here in this building somewhere. So I would go look here. I would go and physically go here and talk to these people and see if they ever had any interest in selling. But I would approach it a little bit different and watch the training on that. But this whole training, the whole point of this is to show you that there is a wealth of information for you for free on your auditor site where you can search any kind of information you want. So another great way to use this is, say, for example, let's back out of here. We'll back out. Now, let's say this is a target zip code I want to be in, and I'm really interested in finding houses. And here's a house here. We'll zoom in on Fox Chase. I believe that's what it was. Fox Chase. All right, we'll zoom in a little bit more, see if we get to pop up. And we'll drop this guy right here. No, we won't. So we'll find a different street. Here we go. What is this? Amberley. All right. On street, Amberley. I'm going to go back. I'm going to start a new search. Search by name. Amberley. And I just wonder if it's just not working right now. Amberley, because that should be popping up. So there might be something going on with its with the street address search. So we'll come back and look at that later in the different training. But essentially, the gist of this is I want you to understand that you use this advanced feature to go and look for different properties, different land uses, right? Tobacco farms, nurseries. There's, I mean, literally anything you can think of is all in here, and they make it so easy for us to go through and search this. And we can search the vacant land. We can search motels, retails, daycare, supermarkets, 3-family dwellings, and just use this and then search from set up the search from oldest to newest, and then go out there and reverse prospect, get in that training so you can learn how to do that even better. And I'll see you on our side.